If you go to OpenAI's website, it is all about artificial general intelligence at the moment. Having said that, recently a lot of conspiracy theories are coming out of firing and rejoining of Sam Altman of OpenAI. One such rumor or conspiracy is that OpenAI researchers found out how to do artificial general intelligence. If you are not aware of what artificial general intelligence or AGI is, it is simply means that machines acquire human intelligence or even surpass the human intelligence. So this rumor says that OpenAI researchers have achieved AGI, and the code name of that project is QStar or QStaris. And then once they achieved it, OpenAI became so scared that they wanted to close the company, and Sam Altman was against it, and that is why the board fired Sam, and then they backed off, and now Sam is back. Now, QStar is being touted as powerful AI discovery, which could threaten humanity as we know. But again, this is not an official word. No one knows if QStar exists or not, or if it is just a rumor, or some of the vlogger or bloggers have just are just having a field day touting about it. But quite a lot of reputable publications such as Guardian and Forbes, they are also talking about QStar and all those rumors. The thing is that QStar is not a new term. In the context of reinforcement learning in machine learning, Q-status refer to the optimal action value function, which gives the maximum expected reward for an action taken in a given state, considering an optimal policy. It might just refer to a method for creating substantially more training data artificially, and a method for self-improvement, such as tree of thought or TOT, or even slime mold models. If you look few of the videos by Sam Altman and also some of the other common names like Ilya, they are really not keen on this Q star because they think that the whole idea of some sort of AGI is still years away. Now, the thing is that if this new Q static is metamorphic, meaning it can improve itself, it is not really an AGI. It is still an artificial or Gen AI agent. Because if you take this thing, metamorphic thing as AGI, then AGI is simply AI plus cognitive architecture plus motor architecture, which is simply some electrical, mechanical, and artificial engineering, and that's about it. A model which can improve itself is ASI, or some researchers are calling it self-improvement model. And that never stops. I mean, look at ChatGPT, it is improving day by day by the people provided data, but you cannot call it AGI. It still struggles a lot in a lot of things, which is a limitation of transformer architecture. I think what is about to happen in terms of Gen AI is the AGI will be the next step, and there will be a lot of clutter around it, lot of dust will fly around, and we have to make sense out of it because we are going to see a rollout of some type of model, and LLM seem to be an antiquated term because everyone is using LLM or large language model term, which has become quite off-putting at the moment, and that is why they are trying to push AGI now as a new cool kid in the town. Because if you remember, 6 months ago, people were thinking that these LLMs are going to take place of a lot of jobs, and within 6 months or 5 months everyone will be jobless, but that hasn't happened. LLMs are still far away from taking people's job, even the creative job. I mean, I haven't really heard any company mass firing any content writer or graphic designer, but rather they are just using it to be more productive. So I think that is where, as the hype is receding around large language models and generative AI, that is where they are trying to push down this AGI. Yes, there will be more and more multimodal models which will be able to work on text, images, videos, audios, and we will be able to do a lot of great things with them. But still, AGI, I don't think so that is going to happen anytime soon. Also, there will be some return to distributed system because cloud can only take so much. We might have some data center dedicated solely on the AGI, as we say, and then a lot of people are also saying that uh, new consumer devices, small devices, smart devices are on the horizon using generative AI. But I think mobile phones will be replaced by those Gen AI devices. But replacing everything, including humans with AGI, still years away. So I'm not really much worried about or anxious about this Q star or whatever it is called, because I think that is just another rumor or conspiracy at the moment. Whether AGI will happen or not, I'm more than sure it will happen. And humans might find a way to control it, but is it happening in the next few days or weeks? No, I don't think so. That's it, guys. I'm very keen to hear your thoughts on it. Please share them in the comments. What do you think about this Q star or AGI in general? And if you think that it is coming and next big thing and it is going to replace us or not. Also, if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.